Let's learn about the sound. We make the sound by putting our lips together and pushing out a short, gentle pop of air. We can hear it in words such as pig, pod, and pad, as well as pop, pet, and pin. Download the Phonics Zoom app today.